Welcome to a video on becoming a mindful student. In today's technology-driven world, staying focused and organized can be a challenge, especially for people in college and university. Mindfulness is a powerful practice that encourages individuals to focus on the present moment and be fully aware of their thoughts, sensations, and emotions. By cultivating mindfulness, you can develop a greater sense of awareness in your daily life, which can serve as a valuable tool on your way to emotional and academic success. Mindful practice has been shown to be effective in reducing stress levels, increasing focus and clarity of mind, improving decision-making skills, and promoting overall well-being. With the ability to redouble your efforts to be present and mindful, you can unleash a new level of productivity, clarity, and success in your life as a student. In this video, we'll share 5 tips to help you become a more mindful learner, thrive academically, and maintain your emotional well-being. Tip 1. Time management. Time management is a critical aspect of effective intellectual work and can greatly reduce stress levels. To stay organized and effectively prioritize your tasks, our first tip is to create a daily schedule. By setting aside specific times to study, attend classes, and participate in extracurricular activities, you can make the most of your time and increase your productivity. In today's digital age, there are a variety of tools that can assist you in managing your time efficiently. These include various apps and digital tools designed to keep you organized and on track with all of your academic tasks and extracurricular activities. Such tools make it easier to set reminders for deadlines, break down assignments into manageable pieces, and track your progress towards your goals. By using these digital tools, you can manage your time more effectively, focus on your studies, and ultimately achieve your goals in your studies. You can also reduce stress and free up more time for the things you enjoy. Tip 2. Journaling. If you're having trouble managing stress and staying focused, journaling can be an effective tool for improving your academic performance and mental well-being. By writing down your thoughts and feelings in a safe environment, you can gain clarity about your choices and reflect on your experiences without fear of judgment or repercussions. You can essentially have a conversation with someone who truly understands you and with whom you can share anything. Journaling can also help you stay organized and focused by providing an outlet for your ideas and feelings. You can break down complex issues into manageable chunks, set goals, track progress, and reflect on your accomplishments. In addition, journaling can help you develop problem-solving skills as you practice writing down solutions to difficult problems or situations. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed, give journaling a try. Tip 3. Self-care. The third tip is to prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential to maintaining emotional wellness and managing stress. Make sure you get at least 8 hours of sleep each night. Eat a balanced diet that provides all the nutrients you need, and exercise regularly to keep your body healthy. Make time in your day for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as reading a book, listening to music, or taking a walk. To maximize productivity and avoid burnout from overwork, it's important to set aside time specifically for studying and work. By prioritizing self-care, you'll give yourself the mental space you need to tackle the demands of school and life with a clear mind and a positive outlook. Tip 4. Meditation and visualization. Did you know that meditation and visualization can be powerful tools to help you stay focused, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve your overall well-being as a student? By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can become more productive and successful in your studies. Meditation can help you clear your mind and create a sense of inner peace. Similarly, visualization techniques can be used to increase your focus on your goals and picture your success. For more relaxation and a sense of calm in your daily life, you can also try guided meditations. Beyond these benefits, meditation can be used to reduce anxiety and stress. There are many physiological benefits that result from regular meditation, such as increased blood flow to the brain, regulated breathing and heart rate, slowed thoughts, and a calmer body. Tip 5. Seeking help. As a student, seeking help when you need it can make all the difference in your academic and emotional success. There are several resources available to you, starting with finding a mentor or role model to guide you all along the way. Seek advice from someone you admire and trust, who has gone through similar experiences. In addition, take advantage of the resources available at your school or college, such as academic resources and mental health services. Don't forget to take advantage of the many online resources that provide support for your mental health and your studies. Finally, consider connecting with peers who are experiencing similar struggles by joining peer mentoring programs or online communities. Remember that seeking help is a sign of strength, and there's no shame in asking for support when you need it. And that's it. We hope that these 5 tips for academic success will bring you closer to your goals and well-being. Remember that time management is key, and using digital tools can be a great way to stay organized and productive. Journaling can be another powerful tool for clarity and problem solving. Prioritizing self-care can support your emotional well-being, while meditation and visualization can improve your focus and ability to relax. Last but not least, asking for help is a sign of courage and resilience, not weakness. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can reduce stress levels and enjoy more free time to do the things you love. Good luck on your academic journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our next video.